Surrounded by beautiful limestone cliffs, which when viewed from Georgian Bay resemble the head of a lion, gives this peaceful port village its name. Lion's Head is a little town perfect for people looking to forget about the rest of the world. Situated in a secret nook on the famous Bruce Peninsula, this town is located at the 45th parallel, exactly halfway between the equator and the North Pole. One visit to Lion's Head and you'll want to make it a regular stop while visiting the Bruce Peninsula. When locals and visitors are asked to describe Lion's Head, they typically pause and say, "You can't, it's a feeling." There is a sense of serenity like you've just come home. The scenery is nothing less than stunning. The limestone cliffs rise from turquoise Caribbean-colored waters, and at sunrise and sunset, they have an amazing pink aura due to the sun's reflection. You may choose to explore Lion's Head crystal-clear waterways, amazing hikes, safe shallow beaches, and natural attractions. Or like many, you might just decide to sit and enjoy the quiet moments that pass you by.